Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an amazing tutorial on how to create a slow DNS file configuration and set it up on the HTTP custom app. If you want more updates and hidden tricks about VPNs, don't forget to visit our blog. Before we start, if you're new to our channel, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's get started. First, open your favorite browser and search for the UDP custom website. Click on the official link to reach the website's homepage. On the homepage, click the menu button in the upper right corner to open the menu list. Then select Slow DNS Files. A new window will pop up. Click on HTTP Custom Slow DNS. You will be directed to the file configuration page where you'll find the latest files. Click on one of them, and it will open a new download page. Click the download button, and in a few seconds, the file will be downloaded to your device. Now that you have the file, it's time to install the latest version of the HTTP Custom app. Go to your device's Play Store and search for HTTP Custom. Find the app in the search results, click on it, and then click the Install button to download it to your device. Once the app is installed, click the Open button to launch the app. When the app opens, check the Slow DNS checkbox to activate it. Next, click the plus icon at the bottom and select the Open Config button. This will open your device's download folder. Find the downloaded Slow DNS file in the list and click on it. The file will import successfully into the app. Once the file is imported, click the Connect button. In a few seconds, you will be connected to a fast browsing internet connection using Slow DNS. And that's it! You have successfully created and set up a Slow DNS file configuration on the HTTP Custom app. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. For more VPN updates and hidden tricks, visit our blog. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.